Advice to you is that you cannot pour from an empty cup. Your cup should be full and running over. So what I would advise you to do is to take this kind of information whereby I've been teaching you that imagination creates reality and that you can create your reality consciously, and be more productive with this knowledge by applying it in your life. And those who you would like to discover this truth, they will watch and see what your life is producing. And when they see what your life is producing, that would help to inspire them. So my encouragement to you is that you must first give, and it will come back to you. Good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over. And when that running over starts, then you would know that you cannot pour from an empty cup. So fill yourself with the knowledge of who you are. Peace.